So I have come to an accessory shop. This is the accessory shop where I have come to install these parking sensors which I have procured from Amazon. He is readying everything to install this. So let's see the installation procedure. The LCD cum display unit will be used as rear view mirror now. So he will route all the wires through the headliner. This is the best possible way. You can also take it through the lower panel, but the best practice is to take through the headliner. That is the power line for the monitor. The red one is your positive and the black is your negative. ভালো করে টেপিং করিস। হ্যাঁ, এটা আর্থিং তো কোথা থেকে নিবি? আর্থিং বডি থেকে তো। This is for the parking sensor. This is the power line, and this is the video monitor input. The wiring is nicely tucked inside the headliner, so all the wires are hidden. As you can see, he is tucking all the wires inside the headliner, then through all the sides. And for the wiring, the connection will be from the A pillar to lower kick panel. Now take the wiring through the boot. That is the way how you the wire through the boot. Remove the rear trim to open the reverse light connections. From there the reverse light connection will be taken. He has opened the wiring connections. So this is the power lead, and you can see the earthing connection of the camera and the sensor, and this is the power position. Now he will connect with the reverse light. Proper measurement should be taken, so all the holes are equidistant, and it should be 55 centimeters from below. This one is for your earthing connection. This is the positive connection. The red lead is the positive and the black is for ground. Proper taping is a must, so there is no short circuit. So the power connection is complete. While installing, this should be checked that this up position is maintained. এই ইয়াটা একটু ভালো করে টেপিং করে দাও তো, বডি হয়ে যেতে পারে। So all the connections has been completed. That video connection, that particular power connection to the camera, then for your sensors, all this has been connected. Now the next job will be testing all the connections. After the earthing is completed, the video monitor was defective and it was not working. I got a call from Mytvs for this issue. Hello. I have received a Mytvs parking sensor set through Amazon. Now I have come to an accessory shop to fit it. Now I think they are having some problem with the display. If there is any problem with the display, then what to do? That's why I gave a call actually. I am calling from Kolkata. Okay, I have just got this delivery 2 days back. Since it was 15th and then it was Sunday, so I couldn't see whether the product, yeah. So tested with a different display unit and the display was working, so there was no problem with the wiring. The whole project failed. The Mytvs product didn't work and I had to pay a labor charges for 500 rupees for fitting and again opening. So I requested the shop to provide a new unit from another brand and I returned all the product to Amazon. Only I wanted to show you the fitting procedure is same for both the brands. So that has been a little bit of harassment, but since I purchased through Amazon, I took the advantage of Amazon return policy, and after contacting with TVS I returned the product and Amazon has issued me a refund for that product also. So that's the advantage of buying online through Amazon. Finally the installation procedure has been completed and all the things are working perfectly, sensors and the video camera, so it's a success. Now this is how the rear camera works at night. It's not that great, what I will say. Resolution is somewhat okay. It is dark actually. It is absolutely dark. Now I will try to show you both the camera and the parking sensors. There is little bit of street light. So this is how it looks. There is a shadow you can see. And now I will try to show you how the parking sensor works. So this is how the parking sensor is working. You can see as I come closer it shows the indication, and as I go away the indication stops. Again I come nearer and the indication start blinking, and also you will get a voice alert message. So the sensors are working fine as you can see in the screen. So this is how the sensor works in a car. So you have seen how the parking sensor works. So it's okay, it will help you during parking in the tight corners. And this particular product is from RD. I couldn't install that Mytvs one, it was defective. So I am letting it to you to judge whether it's useful or not. And if you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below. And this type of product is useful for older generation cars, remember that. So if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below. And if you find the video useful, Please do subscribe and like the video for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.